Hey assholes, I'm Jäger. Today I'm here to tell you 5 reasons why you fucking suck at playing guitar. Number 1. You don't mute your fucking strings. And if you don't do that, all strings on your guitar will vibrate instead of just the ones you want to, creating fucking noise. You need to mute the strings you are not playing with either of your fucking hands. Or both. Depends on what you're playing. Look at this riff, for example. I'm going to show you how it sounds with and without muted strings. Example 1. The shitty one. With strings not muted. See? Sounds like shit. Now for example 2. The good one. With muted strings. Did you hear the difference? Listen again. And that is why you need to mute your fucking strings. You fucking dipshit. If you can't mute your strings yet though, fucking quit playing guitar and throw away your cheap-ass used crappy Squier Stratocaster. Yes, I know about it. No, but seriously, there's something you can do, which is taping off the strings that you don't want to ring, like a fucking pussy. So if you're playing leads, you want to tape off all the strings near the nut, basically in the first fret. Or you could wrap a hair band or other soft elastic band around that part of the neck. That way the strings will vibrate less, or ideally not at all, unless fucking fretted. If you are playing rhythm though, and you are too fucking shitty to mute your strings while doing it, you are going to want to tape off only the highest 2 or 3 strings, depending on what you are fucking playing. If you want to know what to do with an extended range guitar though, meaning one with more than the usual 6 strings, just fucking kill yourself, you worthless piece of garbage. Number 2. Your alternate picking is fucking inconsistent, or you can't fucking do it at all. A lot of beginner guitarists who fucking suck, right, will think they can get away with not using alternate picking, which you fucking can't. Or they will do it shittily. If you want to be a not shit guitarist, you will need to be able to do it properly, which means your picking needs to be in time and also consistent dynamically, which means the upstrokes and downstrokes need to have similar fucking volume and attack, ideally the same. Also, you need to be able to do it across multiple strings, like in this example, which is harder, right? And the next harder part, which you also need to fucking be able to do, is to do it over multiple strings while also skipping strings, like in this example, which is the fucking harmony for the previous one. But let's get back to the first track, which I'm gonna play now. So practice this fucking technique. Now for the harmony track. This one here. Have a listen. This is both of them together. All of this shit is also important for playing fucking leads. Look at this here series of notes from my mate Wolfgang Gottlieb. This one is stupidly good. Anyone should at least play this once. Let me play it real quick. Fucking awesome. There's also this one here, which comes immediately after that, which is even better for training because it features the same notes being played multiple times, which is harder and therefore better for learning. So to sum it up, get your fucking picking straight, you useless scrub. Number 3. And this is related to the previous point. So listen, right? Reason number 3 is when alternate picking whilst not picking every note, you do not pick the proper notes with the proper kind of stroke. Right? No? Probably not. Because you're an idiot. So let me explain. If you look at this here tab from Yngwie Malmsteen, yeah, just waiting for the little children to finish screaming. Seriously, Malmsteen has a ridiculous amount of haters. When you do so much as fucking mention him on the internet, you get a fucking shitstorm of pathetic fucking losers telling you how bad he is. So now for this tab. This riff is insanely good for practicing, and I'll show you why. But first, let me play it just so you know what it sounds like. It has alternate picking over multiple strings, like I talked about a minute ago, in case you had fucking forgotten. And there's this syncopation too, which I'm gonna talk about in a little while. It also features this neat double stop. And this is the thing I want to talk about. These here non-16th notes. Now, the important thing here is knowing when to fucking use upstrokes and when to use downstrokes. All the dumbass loser noob guitarists will probably strictly alternate, which is wrong, you fucking moron. And they will probably also downpick this double stop, just because that's intuitive. Just watch out never to do something out of your comfort zone, or you could fucking learn something by mistake. The correct way to do it is as follows. Imagine that every 16th was picked. For other riffs, you might want to look at 8ths or, 30 seconds. But in this example, the 16ths are important. So you imagine every 16th be picked, and then look at what note gets which direction of pickery. Then you remove the notes that are not to be fucking picked, and you get this. The reason why you do this is because then your hand will move up and down consistently, as opposed to stopping, which will make your playing smoother and enable you to eventually play faster. So get off the fucking Yngwie hate train and practice riffs like this, you stupid fucktard. If you are playing bass with your fingers, just swap up and down strokes for your first and second fingers. Most people use the index fingers as first, which makes that akin to a downstroke. I start with my middle finger because it's stronger, but you are probably too fucking low on the evolutionary ladder to think about whether to pluck with your index or middle finger. However, the other finger plucks when you would upstroke and shit. Obviously. Obvious to intelligent people. Let's move on. Number 4. You are too fucking stupid to get the fucking timing right. Now, the worst fucking example, by far, is Mother by Danzig. The beginning consists of just this riff, which is just these 3 power chords, and you are still too fucking stupid to play it. Now I know what you are thinking. It's just 3 chords, it can't be that hard. Right? Wrong. You fucking imbecile. I can understand why you would think, man, it's just 3 chord, must be easy, right? But the vast, fucking overwhelming majority of people cannot play it in time. They cannot, for the fucking life of them, play it with correct timing. Just like you. The chords are to be struck at the last 8th note in the measure, which is the 4 end, if you're counting. But nobody is fucking able to do it. 99% of people play it on the 1, which is an 8th too late, and the other 1% play it on the 4, which is an 8th too early. As a matter of fact, it's not fucking hard to do. Just count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 end. Then play the chord on the 4th end. It's that fucking simple. And yet people cannot fucking do it. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Now this fucking accentuation of beat shit is called a syncopation. And it's usually done by playing a note 1/16 or 8th or something, quote unquote, too early. Most of the time. And just for your information, right? Most of the times, contrary to popular belief, does not mean always. So don't fucking go around saying, oh, this dude said that syncopation is always a note that's played too early, because it's not. And I didn't. You fucking retard. By the way, when you see this kind of tight note, and you are wondering, why didn't he just write dotted fucking quarter notes, then it's probably a syncopation. Most of the time. Examples include Enter Sandman, Electric Eye, and like 80% of Iron Maiden songs either have some syncopated parts or are built around it entirely. Let's be done with this fucking shit. Number 5. I'm gonna fire the dude who writes my script. As for the 5th and last reason for today, why you fucking suck at playing guitar. You do not properly use your pinky finger. And you fucking know it. You have probably seen this before. When you practice or play this, you are supposed to use your index finger here, which makes sense, right? And your ring finger here. Most people get that right too. Here it gets interesting, because here you should use your pinky. Most of the time. Noob guitarists will be like, that's too hard, I'll just use my ring finger here too. No, man, just fucking no. The overwhelming majority will never start using their pinky here. The others will become good guitarists. So stop making fucking excuses and just fucking use your fucking pinky finger, you fucking lazy ass motherfucker. Just fucking do it. There are a lot of Iron Maiden riffs that are great for practicing this. Look at this here. This is what it sounds like. Insanely good riff. This riff also features alternate picking over multiple strings and this little syncope. It all comes full fucking circle. This is just shit you need to be able to do in order to be a decent guitarist. There's no two ways about it. There's no fucking, but maybe I could. No, man. If you want to be a guitarist, do it right or not at all. And one last thing. Use your pinky when you play power chords. Don't fucking fret both the 5th and the octave with your ring finger. Use your fucking pinky, man. I'm fucking sick and tired of useless, shitty guitarists who are shit just because they are too fucking lazy to do it properly. And fucking think they are special snowflakes that can get away with playing like a fucking baboon. I'm just trying to help, man. It may not come across that way because I'm constantly insulting you for being garbage, but I am just trying to help. If you want to play guitar, which you most likely want to because you are watching this, then take it seriously. Have some fucking pride in your work, man. So this concludes my first video. If you have any form of constructive criticism, I would love to hear it. All rational comments and ratings are appreciated. Just don't be that fucking guy who's like, oh, you shouldn't insult people. Just fucking stick it. You can visit my Facebook page if you want. And if you want to see more videos of mine in the future, then you can subscribe. If you have any fellow guitarists who you either want to piss off or show them something educational, send them to this video. I've been Jäger. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Sind wir das